Hello friends, today I will show you how to install SSL certificates for your domain on hosting our account. So let's get started. First log in into your Hostinger account and then go to websites. Go to the website dashboard and search for advanced option. The SSL certificate option should be in security and go to SSL certificate. You will see a install SSL button under your domain. Install the SSL. It might take some time, 1 or 2 minutes. You can refresh the page. Still installing. Wait a moment. So you can see the status is now active, the creation date and the expiration date. So let's check the website and see if the SSL certificate is working well. You can see the SSL certificate is working. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.